What are the actual statistics on abuse victims becoming abusers themselves? I've been searching for the statistics on this for a bit, and I can't find anything useful. Everything I've found either contains irrelevant statistics or research, anecdotal evidence or claims made about statistics, research without any sources. I found one useful source, but it was narrow as far as the form of abuse, and I'm looking for more information about different forms or abuse in general. I've heard arguments for both sides, that victims become abusers and that victims aren't any more likely to become abusers, and I just want to know something approximating the truth. Thank you. Old, https://JAMA-network.com/journals/JAMApediatrics/article-abstract/517903 closing square bracket opening parenthesis https://JAMApediatrics/article-abstract/517903 closing parenthesis more recent, but paywalled, write to the authors and most are happy to send you a copy. https://journals.sagePub.com/doi/10.1177/0886260516651090 closing square bracket opening parenthesis https://journals.sagePub.com/doi/10.1177/0886260516651090 closing parenthesis but victims are also more likely to become victims again. https://www.science-direct.com/science/article/abs/pe/so145213418302795 closing square bracket opening parenthesis https://www.science-direct.com/science/article/abs/pe/so145213418302795 closing parenthesis look for cycle of violence. It'll give you more results, hopefully not all behind walls. Does superconductivity occur naturally anywhere in the universe? My guess is that we don't have any concrete evidence of it occurring anywhere, but I'm curious if there are any likely candidates for where it might occur. For example, is there any chance that it could be influencing the magnetic field of certain types of planets? Meteorites sometimes contain naturally occurring superconductors. https://www.sciencemag.org/news/2018/03/superconducting-materials-found-meteorites https://www.sciencealert.com/superconductivity-has-been-discovered-in-meteorites-for-the-first-time. Could you infect a cow with a virus, i.e. COVID-19, and then get the antibodies from its milk? We use animals all the time for creating antibodies. A majority are used in pre-clinical experiments. Vaccines typically elicit an immune response so you can create your own antibodies. We are starting to use more and more antibodies in medicine. Any drug with mAb at the end is a monoclonal antibody drug. These drugs, however, need to continue to be administered since our body isn't making the antibodies, and they are very expensive. How can a COVID-19 vaccine be ready in less time than it takes for the trials to be completed? I'm confused about this. I've seen some articles say that the trials for the COVID vaccines are supposed to last for 2 years, but I also have been reading that a vaccine may be ready, if not widely available, within a few months. How can a vaccine be ready that soon if the trials are supposed to last longer? This article talks about how they are accelerating the approval. https://www.gatesnotes.com/health/what-you-need-to-know-about-the-COVID-19 vaccine closing square bracket opening parenthesis https://www.gatesnotes.com/health/what-you-need-to-know-about-the-COVID-19 vaccine closing parenthesis TLDR. You can cut literal years off the normal time required by standard FDA trials by overlapping the analysis of the previous phase with the start of the next phase and by providing grant money to start actual vaccine production, which might be a complete loss if subsequent trials fail, ahead of the formal approval. Provided the trials all demonstrate safety and efficacy, the drug is in stock and ready to deliver. How did birds develop wings? I understand gradual evolution, like a species of rabbit becoming faster over time, or small mammals increasing in size to become grazing herbivores like cows because the incremental changes grant advantages. A rabbit that is slightly faster than another will have a higher chance of reproduction, but wings are essentially useless until they reach a point where they allow for flight. It's not like a land animal that has half a wing will have any advantage over one that has none. Did a mutation occur where an animal had functional wings after one generation? My question isn't specific to wings, but it was the most obvious example I could think of. A good example of this is the flying squirrel. The flying squirrel clearly has an advantage of other squirrels in that it can escape threats. It clearly can't fly, just glide. Over time, the squirrels that could glide further gained a competitive edge and could reproduce. Perhaps one day, or maybe they have already, developed some control over the membrane that allows them to glide. Those with better control have better survivability. And #X200b, what is interesting is the wing has evolved several different times separately, e.g., birds and mammals, flying bats. I will let someone who really knows their evolution explain further though. Would a system of measurement based on the Planck scales be a viable alternative to the metric system? For example, all length would be measured by the Planck length multiplied to powers of 10, and all time would be measured by Planck seconds multiplied to powers of 10. Also, what would the speed of light be in this system? Whether it is a viable alternative depends on your application. For everyday use, the Planck units would be horribly inefficient, because we'd have to use large powers of 10 for essentially every single quantity. There's a reason that the units we use are the way they are, mostly, they're convenient. However, for various branches of physics, the Planck units aren't just viable, they're the units of choice. And the reason why is connected to your second question, greater than also, what would the speed of light be in this system? 1. The Planck units are defined in such a way that a number of natural constants, including the speed of light, have value 1 when expressed in these units. This is rather convenient, because it means that equations can be simplified since these constants drop out in many places. This makes it much easier to see the structure of the formula and the relation between the various variables it expresses without as much clutter of constants. Is it theoretically possible, even if probability is very close to zero, for air to move to the other side of the room and make you suffocate? Funny question, I know, but is there anything that would fundamentally block this from occurring even at the most perfect and unlikely circumstances? If all the trillions and trillions of air molecules somehow align their movement direction to be parallel without colliding with each other, what would happen? Would, I don't know, gravity force scatter it quickly enough? Or could they really all move to the other side of the room and make you suffocate? It's technically possible for the gas molecules in the room to randomly fluctuate such that they all go to one half of the room, but extremely unlikely. You can calculate the probability of finding the room in this state. Using the Sacker-Tetrode equation, https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/Sacker-Tetrode_equation for the entropy of an ideal gas, you'd find that the change in entropy from the gas taking up the full volume 5 to half the volume 5, 2 leaving everything else constant is delta S equals Kn lane 2, where n is the number of gas molecules in the room, think many moles, so approximately 10⁻23 at least. Then the probability of the system fluctuating like this can be estimated using P equals E caret delta S, K. Plugging in delta S, you get P equals 2 caret N, which is so extraordinarily small, you'll probably never observe this. This could have been derived even more easily by assuming the gas molecules are independent and moving randomly. Each molecule has a probability 1/2 of being on the left side of the room, so the probability of all of them being on the left side is 1/2 caret N, or 2 caret N.